Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
If you recreate today's makeup look, people will ask you, where did you learn makeup? This is a professional glam look that I usually charge for. But today, I'm teaching you this full glam look for free on YouTube. If you're new here, subscribe and like this video right now. Of high skitters. Well-hydrated skin makes makeup look flawless. After cleansing and toning, apply moisturizer as the third step. Great makeup always starts with proper skin preparation. Primer is mandatory for long-lasting makeup. If you have pores, never skip pore primer. Use concealer 1 to 2 shades deeper to correct pigmentation. Mix shades to perfectly match your skin tone. Always apply foundation in thin layers. This glow comes from skin prep, not extra products. Contour enhances facial structure. Contour enhances facial structure.
Always blend contour thoroughly.
Inside of a wrinkle, use a small brush for nose contouring. Never use a contour too dark for your skin.
Blush adds a natural, fresh look.
This blush gives an airbrush finish. Always use a dry sponge for loose powder. This looks makeup without patchiness.
Highlighter should look glossy, not glittery.
Now our base makeup is complete. If you have thick brows, just use brow gel.
Colors that point pigment. See the difference instantly.
Keep liner at the back, not the front. And always smudge liner softly. This makes blending seamless. Shimmer should melt into the skin. Match this color with your outfit. This completes the eye shape. Thin liner makes eyes look longer. Blend real and fake lashes perfectly. This step lets you make eyes pop.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.